Dear kids, how a kid is expected to be. I have brought for you a little poem. So let's read it out. Frisky as a lambskin, busy as a bee. That's the kind of little girl people like to see. Modest as a violet, as a rosebud sweet. That's the kind of little girl people like to meet. Bright as is a diamond, pure as any pearl. Everyone rejoices in such a little girl. Happy as a robin, gentle as a dove. That's the kind of little girl everyone will love. Thank you for watching and listening. I will try to bring more on parenting and grooming.
Parenting and grooming. Like and subscribe, please.